Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Are you obsessed with your social media account? Or rather, are you obsessed with browsing your social media? I know the answer. And the answer is yes. Even I am obsessed with my social media accounts. We all are, right? We all love our social media accounts. We all love to be visible on Facebook, X, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. etc. There are lots of sites, social media platforms which we want to be active on, probably YouTube also, right? Which attracts us and which holds our attention. And it's a fact that we browse our social media for the longest time, right? But what if I tell you that your social media account, your social media can help you in becoming fluent and confident in English? Are you surprised? Yes, absolutely. I am going to tell you in this video, in this session, how your social media accounts or your social media can help you to become fluent in speaking in English. Are you ready for it? Let's take a dig. But before that, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach or an English coach or an English trainer, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But for this, you have to subscribe my channel. You can like and share my videos. Of course, you can write your comments in the comment section, and you have to press the notification icon as well so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. For this, what you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's quickly get back to the topic. The topic is very interesting, guys. I'm going to talk about your social media. I'm going to talk about social media. And that also I'm going to talk about how social media can help you to become fluent and confident in speaking in English. Yes, absolutely, you heard it right. We all love being on social media. A lot many times we take up our mobile phones and we browse our social media accounts or any other sites, social media platform, just to check something or the other, right? Any informative material, any entertaining material, or any post or any status update, anything, lot many things we just try to check out on our social media platforms, right? So why don't we utilize this time? Why don't we utilize our social media accounts, our social media platforms for our benefit? Let's turn this into an opportunity. Yes, and it's very simple. The first and the foremost thing I'm going to talk about is how you can start speaking in English using your social media accounts. Okay, the first thing is, whether it is Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, X, whichever platform it is, what we can do is, the first thing is we can express ourselves, right? We do share good morning messages, we do share some status updates, right? We share some photographs of ours as well. So on these platforms, we do share something or the other. So the first thing what we can do is we can start talking to people on these platforms. We can start sharing our thoughts on these platforms. Every day, whenever you're browsing your social media, whatever thought comes to your head, your mind, you can just try to share it on your social media platform. Post something, write a status somewhere. Okay, whether it is on WhatsApp or on Facebook or on Instagram, you can just share a reel, or you can share a post, or you can share your status, whatever you want to do. On LinkedIn also you can share, right? So come up with a small post, come up with a small status about something which has, struck your mind or which has come to your mind. Just take a moment, think about it, and write something and share it on your social media platform. Now, what it will do, you will start engaging with people in a conversation. Whenever you start a post, you write a status, people do comment, right? People do comment, they do reply to your post. That is the best engagement model or engagement platform. So once you get a reply, you see what the other person is saying, and then you can further reply to that. Okay, so this is an engagement platform. You can keep yourself engaged in a conversation through your post. So in this way, what will happen? You will improve on your writing skills. You will improve on your thinking skills as well. You will think and write. You're getting my idea? You'll start thinking in English and you'll start writing in English. In this way, your sentence structure or construction, which is grammar, is taken care of. Your vocabulary will be taken care of. The way you express your idea will be taken care of. So we'll start learning to develop all these things just by writing a post or sharing a status, right? It will help you a lot. So start practicing it from today, right now. Whenever you are on your social media site, you get a lot of ideas, guys. A lot of people have shared something. A lot of people are talking about something on X or Instagram or Facebook or anywhere else, right? On LinkedIn, there are lots of posts which comes in. Like, for example, I'll give you an example. AI is very hot in the market. Everybody is speaking about it. On all social media platforms, you will just find many articles on AI. Why can't we share our thoughts on AI on these platforms? We also can get some idea and we can just talk about it in 2 sentences, 3 sentences, right? So start sharing posts or start writing your status or post on social media platforms just to engage yourself in a conversation with people on these platforms. This will help you in thinking in English and it will help you to write in English, improve on your English writing skills, and then it will help you in your speaking skills as well. Right? Once you know how sentences are constructed, what are the grammar rules, how the idea is expressed, you will be confident enough to speak about it. So this is the first thing you start practicing from today. Second, as I told you, there are a lot of people who comes up with a lot of posts or statuses on these social media platforms. A lot of celebrities, lots of people from different fields who are experts come up with a lot of new things, new ideas or new posts about something or the other every single day. And we follow them on X, we follow them on Instagram and other social media sites. So why can't we start expressing ourselves about those topics? So whenever you see a comment, a post or anything of such kind, try to read it, try to understand what the post says and try to write a comment on it. Try to write your comments on it. Okay, this way what will happen is you will get to know a lot of things which is happening across the world. You will take an effort to understand what the post says or what it means and what it is about, and you can just try to collect your own ideas, right, about it and try to express it on these platforms. Reply to that, comment on that, share your thoughts on these posts, right? So this is another way of talking about different topics which is a talk of the town right now. Okay, so this will help you in keeping yourself updated about recent happenings, what is happening around you, and gaining knowledge about it, and then collecting your own ideas or thinking about your own thoughts about it and expressing yourself. It will help you to have a conversation on these topics with anyone, anywhere, anytime. Okay, so once you start practicing all these things, it will be very easy for you to start speaking on it. So these are practice sessions which you are doing, right? Writing your own comments, replying to somebody's posts or comments, right? Or statuses, and this is or any article, right? On these platforms. So this is the second way you can keep yourself engaged in a conversation with people and sharing your thoughts in English about any topic. So this is the second thing. Third thing, which is my favorite, what I used to do was we used to have this WhatsApp. Okay, and what I did was I made a group of 3 to 4 people which were my friends who wanted to speak in English. Since it was easier for me at that time because we all were sailing in the same boat, because we wanted to do MBA and we wanted to get a good job, and we knew that speaking in English is very much essential at that point of time to crack the interview and to get into a good MNC. So we wanted to do that. So it was easier for me to collect such people and come up with a WhatsApp group and fix a time and a topic, and we connected with each other over video call and we started speaking to each other. Okay, so this is another thing which you can do. You can do it on Facebook, you have Messenger there. You can do it on WhatsApp. You can do it on any other online platform which is there, which helps you to speak in English with others. There are a lot of other paid sites also and other sites also which helps people to speak to each other, right? There are communities and groups. On these platforms also you can find a lot of communities and groups which are related to speaking in English. They help you to find people who want to speak in English, and you can come together and you can talk to each other in English. So there are lots of communities, groups and websites which help you in this. So try finding it out and start utilizing these platforms to help you build your confidence and fluency and to speak to people in English. Okay, collect people who want to learn to speak English. That will be the better choice. So that is why I picked up WhatsApp and I picked up people whom I knew wanted to learn to speak English. So WhatsApp, Facebook also have your friends and relatives. So you can come up with a relatives group or friends group or anybody, whoever, colleagues also. There are lots of colleagues who wants to learn English, right? They also want to grow in their career. And they've realized that without knowing English, without speaking good English, I won't be able to be client facing and I won't be able to grow in my career. Pick up those and come up with a group and start speaking to each other on any topic, or just randomly start speaking to each other, right? So as to speak natural English or learn natural English. So this is another thing you can do to start speaking in English. Okay, so this is another thing which is also very simple and very easy. Number 4. The fourth one is, if you are on Twitter or X, if you are on Instagram, if you are on Facebook, if you are on LinkedIn, you know there are lots of groups which are there for English learners, right? And these platforms provide a variety of things. They have grammar, they have activities, they have puzzles, they have, speaking practice, lot of things available online on these platforms also. If you join these groups or communities, you will get to know, you will get help in a lot of things. You can help yourself with the grammar rules, you can help yourself with puzzles or quizzes which are in English, which will help you to improvise your English, right? There will be a lot of speaking sessions also. There will be a lot of topics also which you can start speaking about. So there are lots of things which are available on these platforms. Small reels are there, small shorts are there, small write-ups are there which you can read and you can just try to absorb it and use it to become more confident and fluent in speaking in English, right? Every single day when you're browsing your Instagram or Facebook or your LinkedIn account, if you are a member of these groups, you'll get notifications from them. Just quickly check it out. See YouTube shorts also. There are a lot of shorts which teach vocabulary, which teaches pronunciation, which teaches grammar rules, which teaches, which comes up with a lot of activities, fill in the blanks or puzzles, etc., etc. So you can start doing some homework also, start working on it also to improve your English in this way as well. So join these groups and communities and you will get a lot of help or a lot of knowledge about different things which will help you to speak English fluently and confidently. Okay, so the last and the most creative one is, whenever you are on these platforms, suppose you are on Instagram and you're watching a reel, you are on YouTube, you're watching a short, or you are on YouTube and you're watching a podcast or some video you've watched on Facebook, right? Or anywhere else, whichever platform you like or you visit very often. Now what you can do is, after watching them, after listening to them, what you can do is you can also start your camera and you can start replicating those, right? If somebody has spoken about a movie review, if somebody has spoken about some sports personality, if somebody has spoken about some celebrity, or somebody has spoken about any, place to visit or any hotel or restaurant to visit and what to eat there, if you have listened to all these things, the next thing what you can do is you can also switch on your camera and try to imitate them. See how they have spoken about and try to be like them, right? You can start role playing them. Hey guys, I am so and so and I am your travel guide. And today I am going to take you to Mauritius. It is a beautiful location. Just to give an example. So whatever you have watched, try to imitate it. Try to role play. Or if you have heard any celebrity talking about something, some health issues or some casting couch or anything else. Celebrities talk about a lot of things. If you heard somebody talking about something, an Amitabh Bachchan or a Hrithik Roshan or a Shah Rukh Khan has spoken about something, try to speak about on that topic in front of your camera, right? So in this way, what will happen is, after listening to people, you will get to know what their ideas are, you will get to understand what they are speaking about, and you will be able to come up with your own ideas as well. And after doing all these things, you can just switch on your camera and you can start speaking about it and see how it goes, how you perform. Probably first time it might be a disaster. Take another moment, take another chance. Be more prepared, write your ideas and start speaking about it. Take another chance, probably take 3 chances and see if you're improving or not. If you're not improving, calm down, relax, come up with your ideas, write it down, see how you can practice it and then speak. If you make sure that every time you speak, it has to be better, you will hit the bullseye. You are definitely going to crack it. You are definitely going to get fluent and confident in speaking in English in this way. So guys, take up all these 5 tips and start practicing it from today right now. These are very simple ideas, guys. You are on social media, right? We all are on social media and we all are obsessed with our social media accounts, and we are all obsessed with our social media platforms. We love being on social media. So why can't we utilize it in a positive way to our advantage? And we can do it, guys. Give it a try. It's not difficult at all. Give it a shot and you will see the difference, at least after 30 days. So guys, that's a wrap for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.